Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Planning a trip and feeling overwhelmed by all the travel options? Omio, found at www.omio.com, might just be the solution you're searching for. This online travel platform simplifies the process of booking trains, buses, and flights, allowing you to compare prices and schedules from various providers all in one place. Instead of jumping between different websites and apps, Omio aggregates the information, presenting you with a clear overview of your travel choices. This streamlined approach not only saves you time and energy but can also help you discover the most cost-effective and convenient travel routes. Omio covers a vast network across Europe and even extends to some destinations in North America, providing a comprehensive platform for both domestic and international travel arrangements. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer journey, Omio's intuitive interface makes it easy to find the perfect transport option to fit your needs and budget. From high-speed rail connections to budget-friendly bus routes, Omio presents a diverse range of options, ensuring you have access to the best possible travel solutions. So, the next time you're preparing for a trip, consider using Omio at www.omio.com to simplify your booking process and discover the most efficient way to reach your destination. It's a one-stop shop for comparing and booking your travel, ensuring you have all the information you need in one convenient location. They even offer mobile apps, making it easy to manage your bookings on the go. Give Omio a try and experience the ease and convenience of streamlined travel planning. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive coverage, Omio is a valuable tool for any traveler. So, head over to www.omio.com and start planning your next adventure. They also have a robust customer support system to assist you with any questions or concerns. This can be especially helpful when dealing with international travel arrangements. Using Omio allows you to focus on the exciting parts of travel planning, leaving the logistical complexities to their efficient platform. Consider them your personal travel assistant, working behind the scenes to ensure a smooth and hassle-free booking experience.